Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. It was a stressful day yesterday, so we thought of ordering the breakfast in the room today. So I'll show you across the breakfast also. And we are going to do a fun challenge today on the beach. I'll be explaining you the challenge later on in the vlog. It's going to be a very exciting vlog, and this vlog is going to be very fun, very chill. It's going to be fun games, so we are going to just have amazing time. I'll be explaining you the challenge later on. Firstly, let's see what food we have ordered. I'll just show you across what food we have ordered. Let's go. So guys, this is what we are having: some cornflakes, then some cheese spreading. We have croissants and brown bread. So though we had told white bread, they have given brown bread. So let's adjust with brown bread. Then some milk, a fruit plate that we have, and then as you can see, boiled egg. Then there is bacon over here. This is the potato tikki, sausages, and some omelette for us. And yeah, the same things: bacon, sausages, same things, because we like all of this for the breakfast. Heavy breakfast is the key to a good day, guys. So always have your breakfast heavy. And yes, I am looking forward to the challenge that Ankita is going to present. Let's see how it is. Stay tuned to the vlog. It is going to be an exciting vlog. Hey guys, so I'll explain you the challenge. Now basically the challenge is, it is called build a castle in 1 minute. So basically you have to build a sand castle in 1 minute. It is not about how fast someone builds it. It is about, you take the whole 1 minute, but it should look good. So the end result will be decided on whose castle looks like a castle or looks good. All right. Also at the same time, the challenge is that not only you have to make it in 1 minute, but the second challenge is that you have to take care of Adhyay as well. So Adhyay is allowed to disturb you. If you're lucky, he doesn't disturb, that is another part, but you have to manage. You can't ignore him. So you have to manage him and make the castle. So let's see who wins and who makes the best castle in 1 minute. Let's kick into the challenge, guys.
1, 2, 3, start. Manu, go to Dada, go to Dada.
Goodbye, Manu. You play on your own.
Manu, go to Dada, see what he's doing. Go, disturb him. Manu, you have to disturb Dada, go.
Goodbye.
Manu, don't be a good boy.
Goodbye. Keep playing, Manu. Keep playing.
No, Manu, no.
How many minutes left?
Half minute is left, only half minute. Only half minute, huh? Oh my god, you are trying to do something very good.
How many left?
10 seconds left. 10 seconds. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done. Stop it. Okay, fine. So you have been very lucky throughout because Manu has not disturbed you. And this is what, yeah, and this is what Manu, see Manu is playing, he is not disturbed.
To make 1, 2, 3 and 4.
Yeah,
That was my strategy.
and this is what you have made.
That is what I've made.
3 rocks. Is this a, do you guys just comment below, do you find this as a castle? Just comment below. I know I'm not going to do that good, but still, like, is this a castle? Does this even look like a castle?
It looks like
Okay, I'll not say anything because my turn is yet to come. So,
and I'm not giving you this.
what?
You have to dig on your own.
Okay, I'll dig.
Okay, so your timer is 1, 2, 3, start. Manu, go disturb her.
My god, this is so...
Now you understood. Now you understood. Guys, she's gonna lose. Yeah!
I'm not gonna lose.
Oh yeah! Manu, come here. Disturb Mama. What the hell? He's going so far.
Manu, come here, Manu, please. Manu, come here. How much time is left?
Half minute only.
My god.
Oh yes! She's gonna lose, guys. Yeah.
20 seconds. Guys, she's gonna lose. Yeah! Oh, yes. Last 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop, 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 stop. Alright, so what is this? Oh, fish. Last.
This looks like a castle.
Last minute she has.
This is a road. This is a road.
Alright, this is a
The road.
We can agree that.
This is the road. Now because I have done the challenge, I'm just giving it a shape and.
No.
Not trying to tell everybody what is it.
No.
actually. Okay,
Guys, no. This is cheating.
Okay, I have not done any cheating. I was just.
It should be as it is. It
Okay,
should be as it is. Alright, fine. She has made. What she has done is she has made a.
I'll tell you.
She's made an entrance door also.
This is the entrance
Okay,
door.
but how can you call it a castle? There is like 3 ice cream cones up, and
You
there
don't
is.
say anything because you have just put blocks there. I have at least done something.
Keep going,
So
okay?
see, I have at least done.
No,
something.
please, please.
No, see, listen. These are 3 buildings.
Mine was professional.
See, these are 3 buildings of the castle.
Buildings of the castle, guys. Guys, building of the castle.
Okay, I can call it as a construction.
Pillar.
No,
Okay.
it's not a pillar. They stay inside it. The shape.
No, but 3 pillars of the castle, right?
Okay, fine. You can call anything, whatever you want. Okay, see, these are the 3 things.
I am not accepting the defeat,
No,
guys.
base,
This is my.
This is the top of the castle, which gives it
Okay,
a
let her
proper
explain.
shape also.
Okay.
So this is the thing. It gives the proper shape of castle, and these are the 3 things like Disney.
Come on now.
Like Disney.
Disney is
and
too
this
much.
is the entrance, and after some days there will be little plants around, so it will obviously look like a castle. And
This is a garbage.
no, it's not a garbage. You guys, please comment and tell whose was better. Why did you
Here is a last look of the
castle?
castle.
Wow, it is a castle. It looks like a castle. See, guys. See.
All right, fine.
How beautiful the castle is. See, even the water is coming from there.
Okay, fine. Okay, so I'll also show you something amazing. 1 second, huh? Just give me a second. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, 9th floor. Guys, we are staying somewhere here, guys. Somewhere here. Ours is a sea view. Somewhere here. Our room is the sea view. Of course, in the room tour you have seen it. But I thought of showing you from here. How crazy is that? We can see our room from here. I hope someone is not seeing us from the room.
Why will somebody
Robbery, guys,
see?
robbery. That's a weird part. What's up, Manu? Hi. Hi, Manu. Yeah. When it's water, he's happy. Boo. What's up? Guys, bad luck when we were doing the castle. Just one of the best yachts passed from. We could not take it in the vlog. There are continuous yachts passing on from here. But the moment I start the camera, there is no yacht. What the hell is this? This is nonsense. Monu is also throwing something on me.
And
Crazy boy.
That is going to flow now. It's just
Oh
flowing
my
and it's-
God, Manu, why are you doing this with me? Why, my friend?